Hello and welcome to the series of Python. So today we are going to start with data types, and also I'm going to teach you about variables. So let's get started. Let's get started with variables. So basically variables are storages which we can grant them any value, any integer, any string. Like I will show you an example. Like I will take x and I will mention is equals to, then I will assign a value 17, which is an integer, and then I will print x. So print x is used to assess the value of the x. So the value which is inside x is 17. So it will get assessed when we say print x. Now I will tell you, this question might arise that how does Python store these variables? So when we write x is equals to 17, Python creates a totally different storage which contains 17, and it also creates an address which has direct link to that storage, and that storage contains 17, and x has the link to that storage. That address, sorry. Now when we say print x, as x has direct link to that address, so x will talk to the address to give him access to the storage. So when we say print x, x has the access of the address. It accesses the address has the direct link to storage, so it accesses the storage, and the storage contains 17, so it prints 17. So this is what happens when we write print x. Now let's discuss about data types. So there are many data types: dictionary, sets, lists, and tuples, and many other. We will be discussing about them later, but today we are going to discuss about three main data types, which are string, integer, and float. So I will put a mark down here and write data types. Hashtag data types. Data types. Now Python has a very good option of adding notes. We can just simply add beautiful notes by adding hashtag in front of that note. Now there are three types. One is integer, another one is float, and another one is string. Insert cell below. And so now to explain these, I will use a functionality known as type functionality. So what does type functionality do? It tells the data type which is present in present in the variable. So let's say x has 17, and I use type functionality. Type x. So it will print the data type. It will be integer. Yes, it's integer. It gives the output as integer because 17 is integer. Int is the short form of integer, by the way, if you don't know. 17. Now let's change the value as decimal. 3.9. Now let's run it. It prints float. So by this we can conclude that all the decimals are float, and all integers we all know. Now let's put inverted commas and then write hello and then run. So it will print string. It will give the output as string, because hello is a when we put inverted commas in hello, it's a string data type. Now let's head on to our next topic, which is mathematical symbols. Sorry, I need to put a mark down. Alright. Now let's insert a cell below, and now let's perform some operations. 3 into 9. So this star represents the multiplication sign. Now let's press enter. It will print 27 because 3 into 9 is 27, and 3 plus 9 plus 9 we all know. 12 plus 9 we all know. Now let's insert cell below. Now 6 minus 9. 6 minus 3 rather. 3. Now this sign might be a bit new to you. Okay, so this one is, wait a minute, 7 integer division. This is double divisions are always integer division. It should print 7 divided by 3 is 2.5. It should print 2.5 no? But it prints 2. Because it leaves out the the decimal part of the division. Now let's do the same thing with normal division. 7 divided by 3, it will print 2.3 infinitely. Alright. Now let's head on to next thing. Next symbol, which is 3. Oh, wait a minute. 7 modulus. This is the modulus sign. Modulus sign, this will be very helpful in our next few problems. When we will solve next few problems. So modulus sign prints the remainder of the division. Modulus 3, it will print 1 because 7 modulus 3 has 1. Alright. That's right. Now that was all for today. So in the next video we will be solving some problems. Finally, I will also teach you how to take user input from the user, of course, and we'll solve problems like Celsius, conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit, and also I will be teaching you how to print simple interest. So that was all for today.